One of the critical components prior to transporting manufactured housing is axle maintenance, and that's what we're going to be working on right this very second. I have already done this one, and so what you can see is the hub was pulled off, and right here you can see where we've got a lot of brand new red tacky grease. Pulled the hub off, pulled all the bearings out, repacked all the bearings, put everything back together, and then here in a few minutes I'll pop that dust cover back on. Here we haven't done this one, and what you can see is I've got my axle maintenance kit right here. Got my grease gun, got all the crap inside there to help pull them apart. Got a little bearing right there, got a little hand or my bearing packer, and I got my trusty adjustable wrench in order to be able to pull the hub off, or the dust cover rather. So right here, pull that right there, squeeze, give it a good wiggle, and what you can see is right there. I didn't prep this ahead of time, so this is all brand new to me also. What you can see is there is almost no grease in there. Now, grease is important when it comes to bearings and axles because that's what lubricates, that's what provides the lubrication for the friction, mitigates heat loss, or mitigates heat build from the bearings going round and round and round on this thing right here called the spindle. If that spindle gets too hot, it will melt, off pops the tire. Don't ask me how I know that. This will get to the point where I'll take this apart, repack all these bearings, and put everything back together, brand new grease, and it will look just like that. So anyway, remember, who you hire matters. If you hire the lowest bidder, guys don't have time, they don't have the room in the bid to come out here and pull apart each and every single one. It only takes one tire to come off going down the road and to take out a Mustang on the other side of the road like I did, or it doesn't, or God forbid something else happens. So yes, it's a very, very critical part of what we do in order to prepare a house for movement.